Are you tired of watching your bank account disappear faster than your snacks on movie night? Well, saving money in this year doesn't have to be painful. Grab your wallet and let's dive into hilarious yet practical ways to keep more cash in your pocket without giving up your daily coffee fix. Number 10. Cut out the subscription bloat, your wallet's gym membership. Subscriptions can silently drain your bank account, much like that unused gym membership. According to the penny hoarder, people often spend over $200 per month on subscriptions they no longer use. Streaming services, apps, and memberships quickly add up. To combat this, apps like Truebill and Rocket Money can help you track and cancel unused subscriptions. These services identify what you're paying for and help cut out unnecessary expenses. By trimming just one or two, you could save hundreds of dollars annually. Conduct a quick audit and watch the savings grow. Number 9. Meal prep. Save time, money, and your waistline. Let's face it, ordering takeout every night is not only bad for your wallet, but it's also bad for your waistline. The truth is, meal prepping is one of the easiest and most effective ways to save money. Instead of spending $12 a day on lunch and $25 on a supper dinner, spend a few hours each week cooking in bulk. The penny hoarder notes that meal prepping can reduce your monthly food bill by 20% to 30%. Buy groceries in bulk, prep your meals, and store them in the fridge or freezer for later. It not only helps you avoid the temptation of expensive takeout, but it also cuts down on food waste. Plus, it's healthier. Prepping meals allows you to control your portions and ingredients. You don't have to be a professional chef to meal prep. Start small. Maybe prep just your lunches for the week or batch cook dinner essentials like rice and veggies. Not only will you save money, but your future self will thank you for avoiding that last-minute "what's for dinner?" panic. Number 8. Be a coupon ninja. Master the art of deal hunting. Saving money in 2024 isn't just about cutting back, it's about spending smarter. That's where couponing comes in. Becoming a coupon ninja is all about finding discounts, promo codes, and cashback offers that stretch your dollar further. Think of it like a modern-day treasure hunt, but instead of gold, you're digging up extra savings. Apps like Rakuten, Honey, and Ibotta make it easy by automatically applying discount codes and offering cashback on purchases you're already making. According to The Independent, using cashback apps can save you hundreds of dollars each year. These tools take the hassle out of couponing, just shop as usual, and they'll find the best deals for you. And don't forget about loyalty programs. Signing up for store loyalty programs can score you discounts, exclusive deals, and even freebies. A little bit of effort here can lead to big savings on groceries, clothing, and even travel. Number 7. Get cash for switching banks, the adult version of a treasure hunt. Here's a little-known secret. Many banks offer cash bonuses just for switching. Think of it as adult hide-and-seek, but instead of hiding, you get free money for switching your bank account. Some banks offer bonuses of $200 to $500 simply for opening a new checking or savings account and meeting certain conditions. According to NerdWallet, some banks in 2024 offer promotions as high as $500. Just make sure you read the fine print. Some banks may require a minimum deposit or maintaining a certain balance to qualify. Either way, it's a great way to score extra cash without doing much of anything. To find the best offers, check comparison sites like NerdWallet or the Penny Hoarder, which regularly update their lists of banks offering the best sign-up bonuses. Number 6. Negotiate your bills. Channel your inner shark. Think negotiating is only for haggling over flea market prices? Think again. In 2024, you can and should negotiate your monthly bills, including your cable, internet, phone, and even credit card interest rates. Many service providers would rather give you a discount than lose you as a customer. According to Kiplinger, negotiating your bills can save you hundreds annually. Here's a simple script. Call up your provider and tell them you're thinking about switching to a competitor. Ask if they can offer you a better rate to keep you on as a customer. Most of the time, they'll have special promotions or discounts available. If you're not comfortable negotiating, there are services like BillShark or Trim that will do it for you, for a small fee, of course. But considering the savings you'll get, it's worth it. Number 5. Save money on energy without becoming a caveman. We get it, energy bills can be a nightmare. But you don't have to live by candlelight or wear 3 layers of sweaters indoors to save money on utilities. Small, practical changes can lead to significant savings on your energy bills. For example, swapping out old light bulbs for energy-efficient LEDs, unplugging electronics when they're not in use, And sealing drafts around windows and doors can save you up to 10% to 15% on your energy bill, according to the Penny Hoarder. Use a programmable thermostat to manage your heating and cooling more efficiently. Not only will you save money, but you'll also be doing your part for the environment. It's a win-win situation. Number 4. Refinance your loans. Lower your interest, raise your savings. Interest rates in 2024 might be unpredictable, but if you've been carrying loans with high interest rates, it's time to consider refinancing. Whether it's a mortgage, car loan, or student loan, refinancing to a lower interest rate can save you thousands over the life of the loan. According to Kiplinger, refinancing your mortgage alone can save you up to $200 a month. That's $2,400 a year. Even a small reduction in your interest rate can make a big difference, especially if you have a large loan balance. If you're not sure if refinancing is right for you, talk to a financial advisor or use online calculators to estimate your potential savings. Just make sure to account for any refinancing fees and always shop around for the best rates before committing. Number 3. Carpool, walk, or bike. Save money and get fit. Transportation is one of the biggest expenses for most people, especially with rising gas prices. But here's a simple solution. If possible, leave your car at home. Walking, biking, or carpooling can significantly cut down on your commuting costs, while also giving you the added benefit of exercise. According to The Independent, carpooling can save commuters anywhere from $500 to $1,000 annually. If walking or biking isn't an option, consider joining a carpool with coworkers or using ride-sharing apps like Waze Carpool. Sharing the ride not only splits the cost of gas, but also reduces wear and tear on your car. And here's the bonus: by walking or biking, you're getting a free workout, which means you can ditch that unused gym membership too. Double savings. Number 2. Pay yourself first. The invisible savings trick. One of the best ways to save money without feeling the pinch is by automating your savings. This is known as the pay yourself first strategy. Here's how it works. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account as soon as you get paid. Treat it like a non-negotiable bill that you pay every month. According to NerdWallet, automating your savings can help you build an emergency fund or save for future goals without even thinking about it. Start small with $50 or $100 a month and increase the amount as your income grows. The key is to make it automatic so you're not tempted to spend the money before it hits your savings. Over time, those small contributions add up, and you'll be surprised at how quickly your savings grow. Number 1. The 30-day rule. Outsmart impulse buys. Impulse buying is one of the sneakiest budget killers out there. Whether it's a sale notification that pops up or late night scrolling through Amazon, we've all been tempted to make unnecessary purchases. Enter the 30-day rule, the ultimate test of patience and willpower. Here's how it works. Whenever you're tempted to make a purchase that's not an absolute necessity, wait 30 days. If after a month you still want the item, go ahead and buy it. Chances are, though, that after 30 days, the excitement will have worn off and you'll have saved yourself some cash. This technique helps curb impulse buys and forces you to think more mindfully about your spending habits. That's all for today's video. If you found these tips helpful and want to take control of your finances, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more money-saving hacks and financial wisdom. Stay tuned for more ways to keep your wallet happy.